All right, so that's great. So thank you.
I got a score in that one. I think I may have put it on, but I did 78 divided by 12, and I got 9.36.
We'll do it again. Do it again on your calculator real quick. 78 divided by 12 is 6. 6.5. Does anybody else have any questions with this while she's getting her calculator? Anybody have any other questions? Nobody? All right, there's a lot of work that we did. All right. So that's good. Let me just go ahead and pause real quick. Okay, so now find the selling price for each item given the cost of the cost and the percent of the markup or discount. So basically they're trying to show you a little bit about business. All right. So if I mark something up, right, I'm going to buy something for 30. I'm going to mark it up 25% because I need to make a what? I need to make a profit. That's correct. All right. I need to make money. All right. So in order to make money, I got to mark it up. And they're saying that I'm going to mark it up 25%. All right. So I want someone to tell me, how do I figure out what I'm marking it up by? What would I do?
Wouldn't you like find 25% there and then add what?
That's exactly correct. Thank you very much. So he said take 30 and multiply it by 25%. But instead of multiplying it by 35 or by 25%, we'd multiply by what decimal?
0.5.
Yeah. So now everybody do that on the calculator. 30 times 0.25. What is that?
7.5.
7.5. So how much is the necklace? What's he going to sell the necklace for? How much?
37.5.
But we would say, yeah, we would say $37.50. Yes, sir.
Another way you can do it on a calculator, you can put 30, then second, and then this right here, the line going that way, and then put 25 and give you the answer.
Yeah, the percent. Yes, I don't really like to do that though. All right, but I appreciate that very much. Now I'm going to show you something even better than this. All right, so I need everybody to look up. This represents, I want everybody to put 100% above the $30. Right next to the 37.50, I want you to put, that represents what? 125%. Everybody with me on this? Right, so here's what I want you to show you. I want everybody to take 30 and multiply it by 1.25 and tell me what that answer is. Yeah, 37.50. All right, so I need everybody. That's how we're going to do these now. All right, that's how we're going to do this. All right, now, first thing on number 3, though, we're going to do it the long way. All right, what? Because 100% plus 25% equals 125%.
I know, but where's the
The $30 is 100% of the necklace.
Oh, yeah.
The whole thing is 100%. Okay, so now I'm on number 3. I need everybody paying attention for number 3. All right, I have a 10% discount. All right, so how do I find the discount? What would I do, Mikey? Right, so I want everybody to do 48 times 0.1. And of course, we all know that's $4.80. Is everybody good with this? So the discount would be $4.80. So Mikey, what's the cost of the tennis shoes now? What would I have to do?
Minus 4.8.
Yes. So now everybody do 48 minus $4.80, which everybody should be able to tell me that's going to be
$43.20.
$43.20. That's my answer. That's one technique. Is there a shortcut? Yes, and that's what we're learning today. All right, last year you didn't learn a shortcut. This year I'm making sure you know shortcuts. All right, so anybody look up. $48 represents what percent? 100%. If I discount something 10%, am I adding or subtracting? Subtracting 10%. So what's 100% minus 10%? 90%. So that means you only have to pay 90%. So I want everybody to take 48 and multiply it by 0.9 and tell me what you get. Yes, $43.20. Everybody see that? Ms. Clifton, you good with that?
Yeah.
Now, everybody's got to be doing it on their calculator. All right, because I want to make sure you understand it. All right, the 48.90 times the 0.9 was $43.20. Yes.
So I wonder if I could do that anyway.
Well, yeah, you can do it. You get the right answer, but that's why we have a lot of problems. If you don't know something, you need to tell me. All right. So here we go. I want everybody on number 5. All right. So does everybody agree it's a markup? So I want everybody to write down on their paper 100% plus, how much are we marking it up? 50%. So I want you to put equals 150%. Everybody's got to write that down. You're not, that's what I want. Instead of using, I'm letting you use the calculator, but I'm trying to make sure you understand the percentages better. So now what do I do with the 150% and the 2250?
So you multiply.
Multiply them. So now on your paper, just go 22.5 times 1.5, and then tell me what that is.
$33.75.
How much?
$33.75.
$33.75. I'm totally good with that. All right, totally good. Okay, so now over here, Aiden, we have a what?
Markup.
So what percent are we going to be doing?
You would do 33 plus 100%, which is 133.
That's right. So now 100, put this down, plus 33. 133%. Now, Aiden, what am I going to do to get the answer?
You would do 1.33
Uh-huh.
times 18.
That is correct. So do 1.33 times 18.
$23.94.
$23 and how much?
94 cents.
$23.94. Did everybody get that? What?
I don't understand. I thought it'd be 1.8, no, 1.
No, $18.
Yeah.
$18.
Last time we did, it was $22.
No, it's $22.50. Okay, now sit upright for me, okay? All right, number 9.
I did 100 plus 15 and that's.
Wait a minute. What's a discount?
It's,
Subtracting, right? So I want everybody to put 100 minus 15.
And then that's 85 and 72 times 0.85.
That's correct. And what is that?
102.
$102. Anybody else get $102? All right, going around the room.
All right. So Charm B is $60 and it's 40% discount. So what we do is we mark 100 minus 40, which is 60. And then that equals this, which that's also 0.6 or 0.60, whatever you want to put it as. So then we multiply $60 times 0.6 or 0.60, whatever, which one works for you. So 60 times 0.6. And then we get $36.
Right. Very good. Perfect explanation. Now remember, you're supposed to speak up. This is super important. All right, super important. All right, so now you know what to do when you go to the store and you have discounts. All right, tell me.
Where'd you get 0.6?
Because 100% minus 40% is 60%. Okay, you get to do the next one. Tell me.
8% times 1.5.
Come on now. I know you do. 15 times, right? No.
So you did the 0.08.
108%. How many places do I move the decimal? Well, take 108 on your calculator and divide it by 100. Anytime you're not sure,
1.08.
that's correct, 1.08. You with me on that? So you always move the decimal 2 places to the left for percentage. Now tell me what that is. $16.2, right? Anybody else get $16.20? You good?
Yeah.
All right, you get to do 15.
So you do 100 times.
That's correct. So now what?
39
Times what?
80.
Times what decimal? Remember, 80% is the same as what decimal? Do 80 divided by 100 on your calculator. If you forget, it's just 80 divided by 100. Yes, times 0.8. So do that and tell me what the answer is. There you go, $31. Remember now, keep up with me, okay? Please. All right. Don't just write my answers down. You tell me what the answers are. Go.
I just timed it by 80.
Yeah, times it by 0.80 though. Right?
Yeah.
Not 80. Decimal. Aiden.
If you understand that number 15 was gonna be 80%, was gonna be 80%, do you have to write it? You have to write 100 minus.
This is what I want on your paper, actually. I just want the cost times the percent. That tells me you know how to do it. You with me?
Mhm.
All right, before I was just writing it down just to make sure you knew what we were doing. So Mikey, what am I doing for 17?
So 100 up the discount. So 12 times 0.95.
Exactly. 12 times 0.95.
That's $11.40.
Somebody said $11.40. I need everybody to confirm 11.40. Is that correct?
Also, do you have a pencil?
Yeah.
I got one.
Sophia, hold up. We got a question.
I think you said you got 95.
Well, how much did what's 12 represent? What percent,
100%.
right? And now you're discounting at 5%.
Oh, okay.
You good on that?
Yeah.
All right. So now think about number 19. Write down what you think because Sophia's getting ready to tell you how to do it.
I did 275
275
times 0.90,
times 0.90.
and I got $247.50.
Now you guys know how to use your calculator when you go to the store if you want to get the exact right answer. Ms. Clifton, did that help you?
I got 292.
So what did you multiply by?
I did 255.
Uh-oh, that's why.
Oh.
There you go. That's good though. All right. Now double check yourself and make sure you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, Lila, you're up for number 21.
So this is 150. So it's 100 plus 22.
Right.
Which is 122%. And then you would do 1.22 times 150.
You're awesome, girl.
Which is
Tell me what that is. Exactly. $183. All right, is everybody happy with that? Curtis, you still happy? All right. Anybody having an issue? All right, so we have next 23. Max,
And number 23. And so 23% is 123%.
good.
669 times 1.23
Yep,
is equal to 822.87.
very nice. Very, very nice. All right. Maggie, what am I doing?
So you do 42 times, no, times 1.27,
Good job, girl.
and then you get $53.34.
Is everybody happy with that? Okay, Miss Clifton,
So what you do is 160 times 1.12.
is it a markup or a discount?
Discount, so you minus
Right.
1.12.
No, 100 minus 0.12. Because remember, 160 represents 100% and you're taking away 12%.
Oh, so 88.
That's right. And how do I write 88%? Yes, ma'am. That's exactly correct. So now do that for me.
Which is 159.12.
Now, does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
You have to understand if it's a discount, you subtract, markup, you add. Okay. So now listen to Nora. What are we doing here, Nora?
29.
Yes.
So 5% discount, it would be $80 times point, sorry, 0.95,
You're awesome.
and that would be $76. Wait, no, yeah, sorry.
Exactly $76.
Yeah, exactly. $76.
All right. Is everybody comfortable? Does anybody have a question?
I have a question on the one before that.
Okay, what?
I got $140.
Did you multiply 160
Oh, yeah, I
times?
got $140.
Yeah.
Okay, Addison, come on, go back to, oh yeah, that was not good. Addison, go back to redo your 27, 160 times 0.88. Well, how are you doing? How are you doing? Tell me what you're typing in. Hit clear on your calculator.
160 minus.
No. You're multiplying.
I thought it was a discount.
Yeah. So here's what happened. Here's what you have to do, kiddo. You have to do 100 minus 12 to get 88%. Then you multiply by that decimal 0.88. Yes. So do that for me and tell me what it is.
140.8.
Yeah, $140.80. Who did 29?
I did.
All right. So now I'm going to go backwards. Now, Miss Clifton, I want you to do 2031. What do I have to do for this? Is it a markup or a discount?
Markup.
So what do I have to do? Right? So what do I get when I add? What percent?
108.
Right. So you have 108%. Okay. So now tell me what to multiply.
108. Wait, 1.08.
Yeah, 1.08. I like that. Times what?
108.
No, 10. Right? Come on now, kiddo. $10. All right. That's how much the swim trunks cost. So tell me what's 1.08 times 10, please.
10.8.
Which is
$10.87.
$10.80. All right, so I want you to write the answer down. I want you to write down what you're gonna tell me on 33. And then I'm gonna let Maggie tell you what to do. What?
On the test, if we forget to write $10.80, we put like 10.80.
No, you're not going to forget. Because you're doing money. Money's pennies, $10.80. Okay, Maggie, how do I do 33?
So 33, you do 120 times 0.75, and then you get 90.
Now, my question to you, Ms. Clifton, did you get that?
I'm still doing it.
Okay, but did you understand what are you multiplying together?
I did 1.95. I did 120 minus 25.
No, listen to me. The percent is always 100%. When you go to the store, you have to pay 100% or you're stealing. You with me? But you walk into the store and it says you have a 25% discount. So instead of paying 100%, you now only have to pay what percent? There you go. So you always take the price and multiply it by the 0.75. You with me? All right, so now try 35, Miss Clifton, and Max is gonna set it up for me. All right, give me a second, Max. All right, Max, tell me what to do. Yes,
So 8 minus 100, 100 minus 8 is 92.
right. So right now, Miss Clifton, did you see it's 92%, right? Okay, now what do I do, Max?
Okay, so you take the 126 at 126. So you move the decimal place over twice, so you have 126 times 0.92.
That's right.
And so you get 115.92.
Is everybody okay with that? Miss Clifton, did you get that? Okay. Now, Lila, you're on 37.
1.04
Okay,
times 114, which is 118.56.
mhm. Now, Miss Clifton, just to make sure, did you see how it was 104% this time?
Not really.
Okay, so because it's a mark up,
I did 100 plus
right?
about 104.
That's exactly what you're supposed to be doing. So that's 104%, right?
Yeah.
So 104% needs to be written as a decimal. And that decimal is 1.04. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
And then you just multiply it by the 114.
So it's like the opposite.
Yes, exactly. Discount is subtraction.
But do you for mark up, you put a percentage first, and then
Yes. All right, so write that answer down, and then I want you to listen to Sophia.
I did,
Hold on one second. I want Addison to finish. You ready for number 39, Addison?
yeah.
Almost. Okay. Tell me what to do.
1,048 times 0.50.
Wait a minute. Why are we doing times 0.50?
Because if you do 50%, nothing's
Yeah, if you take 50% off, you only have to pay what? 50%, because it's a coincidence that 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. It just happens to be the same thing. All right, so you're gonna do 1,048 times what? 0.50. And what is that?
$524.
All right, $524. Tell me again. Yeah, you can divide it by 2 for those of you guys. That's really smart. 50% is half. So you just take half. Addison, is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, so that brings me to Curtis, 41.
So we got, we do 100 plus
That is correct. Uh-huh.
and then times 30.
So how would I multiply that? 30 times what? Come on now. 111% is what decimal? Come on, what decimal is it? Come on, you guys, you got to know this. You move the decimal 2 places. Right, 1.11. That's exactly correct. Say it again. All right, anybody else get that? You with me on that?
But I just looked at my point is pretty.
So you're telling me you having a little trouble with that?
Like, no, like, I will just do 111 times 30 and then put the decimal.
Well, I want you to know this is just the same as this number, but it's put as a decimal. So you always move it 2 places to the left. Do you agree? All right. So, all right, here we go. 43. I need you to tell me, Hub.
We also was selling DVDs for 40% off the regular price of $15. Why is the sale price of the DVDs?
Yeah, tell me, what do I do? Right?
100 minus 40.
And that's what?
100 minus 40 is 360.
Exactly.
And then 60 times 15.
Right, 60%. All right. Which was 100 minus 40. Thank you. That's good. So now, so tell me what you did. You did 15 times what?
6,
Right. And tell me what that is.
8.4.
I don't think so.
Wait, oh, I did points. I didn't do points. 9.
Right. Anybody else get 9?
Yeah.
Everybody okay with that? Yeah.
I have a question.
Tell me.
So when I got 6, but 10% of 16 is 1.5 times 4, that would equal $6.
Right. So $6, listen to me, is equal to the discount, not the sale price.
Oh,
Right?
I found the discount.
Yes, you found the discount. Okay. All right. Tell me about 45.
All right, Cecil Home Builders are offering 10% off optional finishing the basement on all new homes they're currently building in the Miller Falls subdivision. The original cost of the finished basement option is $12,000. What is cost to the buyer after discount? So what we'll do is we will subtract 100 minus 10, which will get 90, but since it's a percent, we change it to a decimal, which is 0.90 or 0.9, whichever one. Then we multiply it by times 12,000, which will get our answer of 10,800.
I don't think, oh yeah, $10,800. That's exactly right. So instead of paying 12,000, you only have to pay what?
10,800.
10,800. All right. 47.
So I did 199 times 0.90,
199 times 0.90.
and then I got 179.
$179.10. Anybody else get that for 47?
Yeah.
All right. 49. You're up, Aiden.
Oh, 49. You would do. It would be 899 times 0.8. Oh, no, I mean 1.1, 1.08. Wait, no. 1.8. Oh, no, 1.2.
There you go, buddy. Go ahead and do that real quick. So the cost of the computer is going to be how much?
1,078.80 cents.
Anybody else get $1,078.80? All right, Nora, you're going to buy a watch. It says 20% off.
All right, so 210 times 0.8 equals. $168.
$168. All right, Miss Clifton.
It'd be 12
Good.
and 1.25.
Right. What do I do with the 12 and 1.45 though?
You times it,
That's correct. Very good, girl.
which is $17.40.
40.
Yeah.
All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Uh-oh, we still have more. I forgot. I tried to. All right, Maggie, tell me about. Ooh, number 55 was tricky.
So it would be 250%.
That's correct.
And then, so you do 9 times 2.5.
Very smart. Thank you, girl.
And it's $22 and
Wow, that was really good. All right, very good. All right, Mikey, you get to read 57.
store sells supplies at 60% markup. Store pays $10 for a tablet strip. What is the final cost to a customer if a 6% sales tax is also added?
All right, so let's first find out what they're going to charge the customer.
So 10 times 1.6.
That is correct. Very smart. 10 times 1.6.
$16.
Okay, I need everyone to pay attention now. Now we got to pay the tax, right?
Is the sales tax off of the original $10?
No.
So off 16?
Yes, you have to pay off 16. So listen, what percent are we going to have to pay?
6 divided by.
No. What percent do we have to? 100%. And then we have to add in the what? The 6% because we're adding the tax.
So 106%?
Yeah, so the customer has to pay 106% of the bill. So now I want everybody to put underneath that 16 times what? Mikey?
100, what, 10.6? 1.06.
Right, 1.06. And then tell me what that is.
$16.96.
$16.96. Does anybody have any problems with that? Yes.
So could it just be the like add markup in the sales tax and the one that added?
No, because you're paying 6% of $16. You hear me on that?
Oh, no.
All right. So now, guys, your job, try to get the evens done now. All right. And again, write down what two things are you multiplying together? That way I know you know how to do it. All right. Does anybody have any questions on that?
So I stumbled upon number 46 of $18.99. And I got a funky answer.
That's okay. You always round to the nearest penny.
Okay, thank you.
Always round to the nearest penny.